These are the ones I bought and replaced already. I already bought struts for this once and they were crap to begin with. I had no idea what I was doing, but these are from Bunnings. So they're like they're 380mm, so not the 405. But I'm curious to see what 20mm the difference will make. So let's put them in. So you may have noticed I've got a garage now, which is brilliant. Hence why no video for a while. I'm sorry. But we're nearly at 500 subscribers, which is pretty cool. Now that the garage is on, I have a bit more time. I've got a couple of big things I'm going to do. Are we focused? But this is about as exciting as the 60s been for, I don't know, a month at least. I am planning to buy a Holley EFI kit pretty soon, so there's going to be a full in-depth conversion kit on the 3F engine to a Holley EFI kit. So if you are interested, stick around. If you're not interested, stick around anyway. This problem was really just shitting me, hence why I haven't just gone to get actual OEM size struts. I've gone one size smaller because I cannot be bothered waiting to fix this anymore, and I'm sick of hitting my head all the time. It's a bit low. Oh, get it! Oh, Jesus. Well, these aren't even OEM either. I don't even care now. But in all seriousness, not much has been happening with the car. I've been really just working on getting this all finished up. But yeah, next week, I'm hoping next week I'm going to actually make a start on a rear bar. So tyre, fuel carrier, fully custom. And I asked on Facebook for the guys and gals out there with 60 series to show me what they had got that was custom. And I got some Mickey good photos. Mint 60 was my favorite, so I'll throw a photo up on that. We're going to try and build something similar, and yeah, custom, fully custom, and yeah, so if you like that, it'll be probably a 2 or 3 part build over the next few weeks, and yeah, make sure you stick around, because yeah, pretty excited to hit 500 subs, and on to the next 500. And yeah, also this all needs to get sorted out. So I've got an esky full of junk. We need to sort out some storage, so that'll be happening this side of 2021 as well. Anyway, that's it. So quick one, thank you very much, and I will see you guys soon.